Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will learn how you can create Ghibli-type images on your PC, and this is absolutely free, no hidden cost. Now in order to create a Ghibli-type images, we will be using ComfyUI. I will provide all the links. This is on GitHub and you can use it for various other purposes too. And the best part is, it is absolutely free. Here are all the details on how to use this, and I will run through the quick setup process where you do not need to run any commands whatsoever. Anyway, on this GitHub page, simply click on these releases. Scroll down. Download this ComfyUI Windows Portable. To make the video shorter, we have already downloaded this. The file size is about 1.59 GB and you will require 7Z to extract the files. If you do not have 7Z, simply Google 7Z and you can download this for free and simply extract it. After downloading this, we also need models to run ComfyUI. We need checkpoints and LoRa's, and there are varieties of these available. You can experiment with many for better results. To download it, go to the Civit AI website and download this Dream Shaper checkpoint. I will provide the direct link. Simply click here to download. It's absolutely free and the file size is about 2 GB. After that, go to this link and download this Ghibli Style LoRa. Now this is one LoRa's model. But if you search here for Ghibli, you can find various models and you can experiment with it accordingly. To download this one, simply click here and it will be downloaded. So these are the only files required. To recap, we download ComfyUI, Dream Shaper and Ghibli Style LoRa. I have downloaded all of them. Let me quickly navigate to the downloads folder. So here are all the downloads. Now let me extract this 7Z file, open it, and I will extract it to the desktop. You can extract it or you can simply drag it to the desktop. Please note, this will take some time as the file size is quite big, so you will have to be a little patient. I will just fast forward it. Anyway, the file has been extracted. After that, go back to the downloads folder and copy or cut this Dream Shaper checkpoint. And open the ComfyUI portable folder, go to ComfyUI, find Models folder, and open checkpoints, and paste it here. So this one is here. Now go back to the Models folder, and in here, find LoRa's. So here is the LoRa's folder, open it, and now copy this Ghibli style. Copy and paste it here. So this is all done. Now go back to ComfyUI portable folder. Now this is all the application files. You can run this CPU bat file, or if you have graphics, then you can run this NVIDIA GPU bat file. This laptop does not have a GPU nor any graphics card, so I will run the CPU model. Double click on it. Again, it might take some time to load all the application. So here we are, and at first this may be blank or you might see some defaults. After this, let me close this. Now here is the .json file we have created for Ghibli Style Images. Simply drag this file to ComfyUI and you will see all these. All this has been already set up, so you don't have to do anything. You only need to choose the image you want to Ghiblify. Simply click here. Our sample image is on the desktop. This is a sample image. The sample image was downloaded from Pixabay, so this is done. So this is the checkpoint we used. As mentioned earlier, you can use other checkpoints as well. Simply download it and put it on the checkpoints folder. Civit AI offers lots of checkpoints. And in LoRa's, you can customize it further as well. This is a Ghibli style we downloaded. You can always experiment with other LoRa's files as well. Different models will give you different results. So we do recommend experimenting with various checkpoints and LoRa's. Also, you can adjust or experiment the strength. Again, Civit AI is one great website. You can simply search here. So there was a spelling mistake. Anyway, you can find many options here to experiment. Please do give it a try and as well let us know which one works the best. After downloading the LoRa's, simply put it in LoRa's folder and you will have it as a drop-down option. And here is the prompt. You can play with this too. This one is the positive prompt and this one is the negative prompt. And you can also adjust these settings, adjust the noise, adjust the steps, CFG and more. And this is all done. Now let's run it. Since my PC does not have any graphics card, it takes incredibly longer time. To generate a single image, it takes more than 50 minutes for us. That's one reason we could not try with many models, as it is very time consuming. Anyway, in this CMD, you can see all the progress. I have fast forwarded it. It really took quite a long time, more than 1.5 hours. Anyway, this is all done, and if you come back here, you will see the preview image. To see the output image, open the ComfyUI portable folder and go to ComfyUI folder, and here you will find the output folder. And here is the output. So this is how the image looks like. And this was the original image. Now again, you can experiment with various combinations, play with noises, you can increase the steps and more. You can try with different LoRa's models and with different checkpoints. Each of them will give you different results. And this Civit AI website is a great place to search. Search for the models and various Ghibli styles. You can as well use this ComfyUI to generate other images too. So please do give it a try and let us know what works the best. Thank you very much.